Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I am going to be creating this look as you can see here. That's Catalina in the background. My only child, my first child. So, as I was saying, this is my sunset look that I created. If you want to learn how to get this look, just keep watching. And I'm going to use my Real Technique foundation brush. And I'm also going to go in with my beauty blender right after I do all this. And I did my brows, as you can tell. Always get your ears.
That's good.
What happened, Mama? Say I love you. No. Say hi, baby. Hi, Mama. Say I love you. It fell. That's what happens. Ooh. Ooh. So how are you? How's your day going? How's your week been? How's your month been? I know a lot of people have been going through a lot of things. So have I. With my mental state, my physical state, like it's been a lot going on, but I'm trying to stay strong, and I hope you're trying to stay strong too. Because we need this. We don't need the negativity in our lives at all, honestly. Me doing my makeup is my peace besides my daughter. Like, it brings me joy. Besides a few other things in life that brings me joy, it's just when I'm having like a mental breakdown, I just need to do this to occupy myself so I won't be at that state of mind. I love you. I am going to be using one of my new eyeshadow palettes. Now, I've been had this for a few months now, but I never used it. And it's called Chasing Fantasy by She Makeup. Use my blending brush and go in with these two yellow shades right here. And then we're just gonna go right in this corner. There's two orange shades here, and this palette is this orange shade right here and this one right here. So I am going to combine these two together just like what I did with the yellows. Like this. And you want to blend it right here. I like these two colors together. Now I'm going to go in with this pink shade right here. And you want to keep packing it on and then blend it out at the same time when you're doing it. And don't forget about your lower lash line. So basically each color I have right here, I am going to add it directly right under my lash line in the bottom. Now I'm going to grab this purple and go in right here, my lash line. I added eyeliner in the bottom of my waterline, as you can tell. Now I am about to throw on some false lashes. The glue I use for my lashes is Duo. Crying for no reason? You're not even crying, you're whining. So you basically want to wait at least 30 seconds until the glue gets tacky. And this is how you can tell is the fact that the glue is getting clear. You can blow on it, you can fan it, whatever you want to do. It really doesn't matter. Just add your mascara. Just going to apply my bronzer. If I can apply my bronzer. It's really It's called Crown. I don't know if it's a name brand or not, but hey, work with what you got. I'm gonna grab my highlighter. Don't worry guys, she is not fussing. This is her playing in her playpen, baby talking and stuff. So, because I know most of y'all may be like, oh, she's not attending her child. She'd rather do her makeup. Wrong. I know my child. You're not physically here. So yeah, this is how my child is when she's playing in her playpen. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Now, for the next video, I am definitely going to be talking about my birth. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I like for more videos. I think I said that wrong, but you get what I'm awkward. Bye.